Howdy, Michael, the Mercedes guy here, and I'm going to show you how to put on an impact strip on a bumper. Now the 108s use the narrow type, 114, Euro 116, and a few other models, and these things have there's the cross section of it, and they have, actually the bumper is welded together from two pieces so that they have this T part here. So what you do, now I'm doing this in a vise, you can do it on your car on these models. The wider impact strips, you want to take the bumper off. But anyway, the early 108s, they simply ended outside with a metal cap on the end. But then they got smart and made this style. This is actually a 114 coupe bumper, so that it just buries itself in there like that. So what you do is, you put it in there, and then bend this backwards. Notice how that opens up. Then you just roll it on to the bumper. And so on. Now you may have a high spot somewhere, like right here. So you just take a hammer and give her a tap, and there you go.